In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install my paintbrush packs in OpenToonz. If you've ever wished your brush panel had more variety for painting and texturing, this quick walkthrough will help you expand it safely and efficiently. We'll download brush packs, extract them, place them in the correct OpenToonz folder, restart the program, and then start using them right away. First, download a brush pack you like. Many creators share My Paintbrush sets for free, including community collections you'll find on tutorial pages and repositories. Look for packs that specifically mention My Paint compatibility. When downloading from the web, stick to trusted sources, skim the description for previews or sample images, and keep the original archive intact so you can easily re-extract it later if needed. Once the download finishes, you'll have a .zip file. Right-click it and extract using a tool like 7-Zip or WinRAR or your operating system's built-in extractor. After extraction, you should see one or more folders containing the brush files. Don't rename anything yet. Keeping the original folder names helps OpenToonz recognize and group the brushes properly. Now locate the OpenToonz installation resources on your computer. Navigate to the OpenToonz Stuff folder, then Open Library, and then My Paintbrushes. That's the destination we need. If you installed OpenToonz in a custom location and can't find it, search your system for OpenToonz Stuff or My Paintbrushes, and you're looking for the existing My Paintbrushes directory inside the library folder. Copy the extracted brush folders directly into the My Paintbrushes directory. Make sure you're moving the brush folders themselves, not a parent folder that contains them. An extra folder level can prevent the brushes from appearing. It's also a good idea to keep a backup of any packs you like in a separate archive folder so you can restore them later or move them to a new machine. If OpenToonz is open, close it now and relaunch it. On startup, OpenToonz scans that My Paintbrushes directory and loads your new brushes automatically, so there's no extra configuration required. To start using them, open or create a raster level, select the brush tool and look at the options. You should see the new My Paintbrushes available to pick from. Try a few strokes, adjust size, opacity, and other brush parameters, and experiment with layering for the best results.